Hey my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be making this baked ranch chicken breast with broccoli and bacon. Now let's cook. So guys, to season my chicken breast, I'm using the Maggi all-purpose season, and these breasts are skinless and boneless, of course. And guys, I've been using this season for years, but starting my channel I decided that I have to use my Maggi all-purpose season cooking, because obviously this season is packed with so much flavor, guys. You have to try it. If you know Maggi, you already know that it's packed with flavor, and you guys don't have to add any other season. I always try to use other season just for the sake of the video, but you don't have to use it with Maggi. And guys, my second favorite season is Cajun Season. And Cajun Season, it just have all these different spices and herbs, including cayenne, paprika, garlic powder, and pepper. Also oregano is in there, I think. But still, because I love garlic powder, I'm still gonna go ahead and add some garlic powder to this, because I love when my breast is juicy and flavorful. Now I'll be adding these breasts to my casserole dish, and I'm going to top it with cooked broccoli and bacon. Now I'm just spreading my ranch dressing all over the top, just a generous amount. Then after, I'll be topping it off with some shredded cheddar or mozzarella cheese, and you're gonna bake that at a temperature at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes until the chicken is cooked through. And there you have it, guys. Our chicken is finally out of the oven. It was juicy, it was delicious, and you guys can serve this with plain rice, mashed potato, or just even vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, carrot, whatever you guys have. Anyways, I thank you guys so much for stopping by to watch yet another amazing video. I love you guys so much for stopping by. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification, and I love you guys so much for stopping by once more. I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.